everyone, welcome back to Share Coder, where today we are diving deep into Python classes. So have you ever wondered how to group data and functions together? That's exactly what classes help you do. So by the end of this video, you will be confident in creating and using Python classes. So let's get started. So what are classes? So a class is like a blueprint for creating objects. That blueprint we got for our exams, this is for objects. So why we use classes is that it makes our code organized, we can use it and make real world objects naturally. So let's create a basic class now. So now let's start with creating classes. So the real fun begins from here. So simply now we will create a class named my class. So simply write class, then write my class, then colons and pass it. So this is an empty class we have created. So this is how simple to create a class. So let's begin with making our real world projects, going step by step and making a pro understanding in classes, right? So now let's talk about attributes and methods that are used in a class. So what are attributes? Attributes are the characteristics of the class, right? They are like characteristics of an object that are called attributes, and methods are the actions that it can perform, right? So let's now create a car class. So first what we'll write car class car, right? And colon. Now we'll create function in it, then in brackets self. So this is the reference to the current class. Okay, then what we will be adding in it is brand, and then right, these things will, and in it is the constructor for classes, right? This is the current constructor for the classes. So you all should know this is the current. So now we will have attributes in it. So we'll simply write self dot brand is equals to brand, right? Then self dot color is equals to color. Okay, so we have made attributes. Let me write it for you. Okay, here you all will be knowing that these attributes. Then now we will simply write another function, display. So this is the method display info. Okay, then references self. We'll always write self in bracket first, then our attributes, right? After this, what we will write, simply write print formatting, right? This is formatting simply. So this is a self dot color. So which will be the color that will be shown us to here when we will create the object, right? And after this we will simply write in another bracket self dot brand, right? And then a full stop for you all, right? So this is we created. So this is we created, and this is the method. Now what we will do is, now we will create the object. Hashtag will write objects. So object, how to make our object? Simply write my underscore car. You can write anything, but I am taking this car is, simply give names to them. This Toyota, comma. Toyota is the brand, which color I am giving is black. black. Most of you love black colors, so I'm giving black. Simply then my car dot display underscore info. Okay, and then these brackets. See, this is our black Toyota. So what we got? This is our class. This is how we create classes. So, and now if I want to add another car to this, so another car, you can give anyone, right? Simply write car, then here I'm writing as Porsche. Okay, so this will be in red. Print my another car dot display underscore info. This is that simple. This is your red Porsche. So not any changes. Just write these 2 lines. Your functions are going to work automatically. This is why we use classes, that if even I am making a program and I want my objects to run after anything, just create classes and run the objects later on. It will give us the output. It will not give us any errors. Okay. So this is how we created class. Then we also created how to create any object using this, right? So now let's create a real world example of a student class. So let's create a class named student. So simply write class, then student, right? Call it. So again the constructor and references. First will be self, then name, and then what will have grades. Okay, then give attributes self dot name is equals to name, then self dot grade is equals to grade. Then what we'll give is again a function named display with a reference self. Okay, and simply print student name is self dot name, then grade is what is grades self dot grade. Okay, and this. So this we created. So now we'll create the object will be student is equals to student, and then name, what will be name? Let's give my name as Shreya, and then grade will be A. And now run this student dot, what will write? Dot display, right? Student 1 here. Okay, student 1 dot display. Okay, no, wait. Name is not defined. Okay, what I have made there is this. I forgot that. So now you will see it will not give me error. See. So now here I have this. So here I can add on the name of student and then I can get as many as I want. So this was the real world example of this. So now let's move on to inheritance. Now let's start with inheritance. So inheritance means a class that allows another class to have its attributes and methods, so that we don't need to create any more classes to have same attribute, and our code becomes easier to write. So let's learn this with an example of animal class. Now simply create instructor in this and give references. Here I'm having self, and then what I'm having is name. Okay, then simply self dot name equals to name. Then another class I am creating is speak. This is okay. This is how it works. Now I will print here. Self dot name makes a sum. Okay, simply write this. Now I will. So this is one class. Now I will create another class named dog. Okay, I created this class. Now again I will write def.speak. Then what I will give is I want to inherit the trait of that class. So simply write here animal, not speak. I will write here animal. No, I will write self here, but we will write after dog animal here. So it will be treating the traits. Okay. Then it will give me right self def speak. What is next? Self, right? So this is the inheritance that dog also inherits the attribute of animal class. Now I'll simply print formatting is always used, right? Self dot name, right? We have written this here. So you now get to know us that we have inherited it from here, right? Next barks. We write barks here and run this. Now object. Now it's time to make the object for this, how it will be seen to us. So simply write dog is equals to dog. Dog is buddy. Simply give name buddy. Next line, what we will write? Dog dot speak with nothing here. So buddy barks, right? So this is how inheritance works. This is the main objective of inheritance in classes. So now you have learned the basics of Python classes, including what classes are and why they are useful, how to create and use attributes and methods, and the concept of inheritance. And now it's your turn. Try creating your own classes and let me know in the comments how it goes. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to Shra Coder for more amazing Python tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Until then, happy coding.